Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Febiana Wardani. I'm from class TBI B. Here I will present about my presentation about current teaching methodology in reading. First, I will explain the current teaching methodology in reading. That the journal that I have taken has the title Lecturer Strategy Used in Teaching English Reading Comprehension, a case at a private college in Aceh. Then next I will explain about the background of the journal. So in this 21st century, English is a very important language to learn. In addition to English as an international language, English is a language that is predicted to be used more in the future. Thus, to improve the ability to communicate with other people using English, it can be used by increasing the ability in reading comprehension skills in English. Next, about research purpose of this journal. So the purpose of this study was investigated the lecturer strategy used in teaching reading comprehension, a course to students of the English Education Department of Bina Bangsa Ketsempana College of Banda Aceh, Indonesia. In short, this study aims to analyze the general strategies used by lecturers in teaching reading comprehension at a private university. Next, about methodology in this journal. This study uses a qualitative approach using an observation sheet with the help of a camera. Two lecturers were selected as research participants. They were selected as participants using purposive sampling technique. The focus of the observation was on the strategies used by the two lecturers in teaching reading comprehension. There are pre-activity, during activity, and the post-activity. After making observation, the authors conduct interviews with the two lecturers. The focus of the interview was related to their problems in using strategies in teaching reading comprehension. During the interview process, the researchers used an audio recorder to record the information provided by the lecturer related to the problem in teaching reading comprehension. Each interview takes 20 minutes to conduct. Finally, after the data was obtained from observation and interview, the authors analyzed the data qualitative through 4 sticks coding data. Next, about methodology in this journal. So this study uses a qualitative approach using an observation sheet with the help of a camera. Two lecturers were selected as participants using purposive sampling technique. The focus of the observation was on the strategies used by the two lecturers in teaching reading comprehension. There are pre-activity, during activity, and then the post-activity. After making observation, the authors conduct interviews with two lecturers. The focus of the interview was related to their problems in using strategies in teaching reading comprehension. During the interview process, the authors used an audio recorder to record the information provided by the lecturer related to problems in teaching reading comprehension. Each interview takes 20 minutes to conduct. Finally, after the data was obtained from observation and interviews, the authors analyzed the data qualitatively through 4 stages: coding, data reduction, data display, and conclusion. The last, I will explain about the conclusion of this journal. So there are 2 strategies: use question and answer and cooperative integrated reading of composition by 2 lecturers who teach reading comprehension at the students of the English Department of Bina Bangsa, Kesempana College, Banda Aceh. Lecturers use this strategy to enable students to learn and understand the text being read. The lecturers put students in a cooperative form so that students can work together to get easy understanding of the text. This finding indicates that lecturers who teach reading comprehension at higher education Bina Bangsa Kesempana must use various strategies in teaching reading comprehension to help students overcome difficulties in learning to read English. The lecturer faced various obstacles that were revealed from class observation and interviews in terms of using strategies in teaching. From the result of observation and interviews, it was revealed that the obstacles faced by lecturer in teaching reading comprehension were mostly similar. From the finding, the first obstacle faced by the first lecturer in basic reading class, where students couldn't achieve mastery of the basic, which includes first, difficulty pronouncing words, second, not knowing punctuation marks, and third, wrong intonation when reading text, and the last, do not understand the meaning of the word. Now the findings are in line, who report that most of the problems faced is in reading comprehension were lack of vocabulary. I think enough for my presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.